Hey guys, thanks for joining us for another detail. Today we're going to be switching gears a little bit. I've been doing a lot of exterior details, ceramic coatings, paint corrections and all that. And this time I'm going to be diving back into the interior of a Dodge Ram. I'm just outside, the guys are inside running the vacuum, so it's a little quieter out here. But I'm going to take you in. We already washed the truck, and I'll take you inside and show you what the interior looks like. It's going to be a long one today. taking a quick break outside from vacuuming. If you ever need a cardio workout for your upper body, give me a call. I'll have you come down and vacuum the inside of a truck with a lot of dog hair, and you'll be sweating like crazy. It's definitely a good workout. But anyway, covered in dog hair right now, and just need to come outside, take a quick breather before I get back in for round 2. So no, I did not get all the dog hair. I wasn't trying to get all the pet hair yet. I'm going to vacuum a little bit more. I don't like to introduce any compressed air before I get all the big clumps of hair, because it's just going to blow it everywhere and make a bigger mess, and it's going to get all over my shop. So as much as I can get into the shop vac, the better. I'm going to get in there now and start blowing some stuff from underneath the seats. It cleaned up relatively quickly, quicker than I imagined. But this is the second time we're doing this truck. We did it once before in the spring, and we're about 6 months later, so it's understandable. People have a dog, they have a German Shepherd, they go everywhere with the dog, so it is what it is. But job security on pet hair cleaning. So I'm going to get back in there and try to get as much of the hair out as possible. Curious minds just in my head thinking, man, how much pet hair is actually in this? I just cleaned this out a few days ago, just cleaned it all out. So let's find out how much pet hair we wound up getting out of this truck. Oh man. So that's just the pre-filter that I have on here, which I'm probably gonna have to put a little switcheroo on that. So that's just there, and holy mother. All right, you ready? right there. That is, I don't know, you want to build a German Shepherd? Like Build-A-Bear? That's it. Whew. Here we are, quite a few hours later. It had to be 2 to 3 hours of vacuuming, and it wasn't just continuous vacuuming, it was vacuum, compressed air, blow things out of different pockets and areas that were in there, and then you get more hair, and then vacuum again, and then you think you have it all. And I wound up giving the interior a shampoo. I really didn't think it was a drastic difference, so I didn't need to bore you guys with just a really quick shampoo on the inside. Wiped all the panels down, which really weren't dirty. The majority of the work today was just removing the pet hair. Wiped the panels down, then treated the panels with 303, and it's finished. So, like I said, at least 2 to 3 hours, 2.5, 3 of vacuuming. So, if you're in this line of business and you're detailing and you have some pet hair come in, make sure you price it right, and make sure you kind of schedule your day knowing that you're going to be spending quite a few hours in here. Now, today I worked on it by myself. Usually, if I'm not making a video or kind of highlighting some work, I'll have all of us jump in here just so that process of vacuuming goes a lot faster, but it's definitely time consuming. Even with a couple guys, it's still gonna take longer than your average detail. So just make sure you're planning for that if you are detailing a vehicle. Man, that is a lot of hair. I feel like I was swimming in dog hair all day and I just need to go get changed and I don't know, clean myself up. It's funny because the last few months we really didn't have any crazy dirty interiors that we were working on, and we started saying to ourselves like, oh hey, we haven't done a real dirty car. You know what's happened in the last 2 weeks? Man, we got pounded with stuff. So this is not the only pet hair vehicle that we've had in the last like 2 weeks. There's been at least a dozen that we've done, and they just come in spurts. You don't just get one. Every once in a while we wind up getting a bunch, but hey, I'm not complaining. As long as the work keeps coming in, I'll take it, even if the jobs take a little bit longer, but it is what it is. Like I mentioned, I did wind up doing a very light shampoo on the inside, so I just want to let it air out before I do give it back to the customer. I'm going to run some fans through it. It's raining outside, so I don't have the option of sending it out and cracking the windows. But did I get 100% of the hair? Not a chance. 92% is the number I'm going to put on it. I don't know. I got a lot of it. There's a couple stragglers that are in there, but you know what? It looks way better than it did before. It's much cleaner, and you don't open the door and get a puff of dog hair coming out. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your subscriptions, your comments, your likes, everything. It does not go unnoticed. So we'll see you on the next one.